say what? Hey, raining already. Oh my God.
We need to hurry up. So funny.
Hey, baby. Hey, basah.
You like basah?
Don't basah. Later basah how?
Heavy rain basah.
How to go later basah.
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 Hujan.
Basah. Yeah. Eh. Hujan. Oh. How to go, darling?
Huh?
Turn here.
Of course.
Okay, turn here. Okay, we go straight, okay?
Oh, I can see the shell.
Where? Yeah. Oh, Allah Akbar.
The shell is there.
Yeah. We cannot go to Shell
Why?
because it's raining, you know.
You need to take car.
Oh, yeah. Take car then can, right?
Yeah,
Your ayah can take car?
get a car. Wow, look at that police truck.
Oh, police truck. Well, we want to see who.
See the big guy.
Yeah.
I checked the big guy yesterday.
Okay, we need to turn here lah. Be careful. See, abang buy so many donut. Wah, so sedap. Okay, where? This way.
That way cannot. That way cannot.
Cannot lah, people working lah.
The door lock.
Iyalah.
Dog lock.
Yeah.
You see?
Nobody can go in lah. Ooh. Landing again ah. Oh. Look at the sky, so dark. Hey, bird, pigeon. Why?
I'm so scared.
Hey, where are we going? We reach already, KFC. No basah, no need basah, no? See?
Is it that way?
Yeah, we going up the ramp. Okay? Can you give me some power? Hey, sorry ka benda nak?
Can
It's not market ah?
Yeah. Market. Is that going with my mama?
Oh, you go with your mama his market?
Yeah.
Wow. So many things I have.
Oh, I can see get apple.
Ya, apple ada, lemon ada. Ni apa ni? Mango Mangga. This one mangga. You like to eat mangga, no?
Yes.
Later we buy, okay?
Okay.
So you can eat with your mama.
I like avocado.
Oh, you know avocado is expensive, you know.
I like avocado.
Avocado is expensive.
I like avocado.
Avocado, you want me to buy you avocado?
Then the bus.
Oh, yo, yeah. You saw it lah. Bendy bus lah. Bendy bus is very long, you know.
Oh.
What's that? Hey, you cannot touch the soil lah.
Why?
That one is not yours. It belongs to auntie, you know. Yeah, that's yeah.
Oh, heavy rain now.
Heavy rain. Fountain tutup already. See, you cannot see fountain, right? Fountain tutup already. Nampak? How to go? Oh, you. Don't basah, okay? Don't basah, okay?
I cannot get.
Hey, don't basah. You basah, later problem, you know. Later your mama angry. Hey, your friend, Jack, your friend. All friend, Ali friend.
You see this house so wet. You see, good driver.
Alamak, how is abang working? Abang working. Yeah. We reach already. KFC.
McDonald's.
McDonald's, I don't want.
I want the CWC KFC.
Yeah, is it raining? How to go, darling?
I want.
How?
Dada, I want.
Yeah, how? So many people. Up, 1, 2, 3. Hey.
Dada, I want KFC.
KFC, let's go.
No, I don't want this side.
Oh, you want this side, then where to go?
I want
CWP?
Yeah.
You can hear the raining, no? Can you hear? Then how to go? If basah how? Later batuk how? Hey, don't put your finger in your mouth.
No Fanta green.
Huh?
No Fanta green.
Have lah.
Don't have. I don't want to.
Oh yeah, don't have lah. Huh? Don't have. Don't have. I cry. Why don't have? Why don't have?
I want to go see WP.
You go see WP later how? Raining how? How to go? Come, Dada show you. Alamak, water have ah? You, dangerous you know.
We don't go this side.
Then how to go? Cannot go. You see raining heavy.
Oh, there, look at the fountain.
Yeah, I told you right. It's so heavy. How to go?
Oh, look at that.
Ah. Hey, so many things jatuh. See, it's raining. How to go? I hungry now. We makan KFC here, okay?
Not there.
Huh?
I see WP.
Later basah here. I don't want to. Later basah. I don't want basah. Later basah how? Later sakit. We go KFC here. Huh?
It's raining.
Yeah. Then we park here. We park where?
I don't want.
We park here. Then where you want to eat where? Huh? You tell me.
I see WP.
You ask CWP raining lah. Cannot go. Got thunder, got lightning. Cannot go. Where? Huh?
At next place.
What?
Next place. I want next place.
You want what?
Next place. I want to go another place.
You want to go another place where? Woodland Mart?
Yes.
Raining.
Dada.
Yeah.
I want.
Go where? McDonald's?
Yes.
Where's the park the bicycle?
There, that also have.
Okay, we go McDonald's lah. I don't like McDonald's, you know.
I want.
But you like McDonald's, I go McDonald's lah. Okay?
Okay. Why got umbrella?
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah.
It's so dark that you never be a top light.
Yeah. Hey, must take out the camera lah.